CBSE results are out and our children have done fantastically well. Every time at this point when the results are announced, we feel very proud. But this time we are proud for a different reason altogether. It's not just one child, it's not a group of children, but the entire class has performed so well. The class average is 89%. That is the average of class. Congratulations, students, for making us all proud. I would like to extend my congratulations to all the teachers who have made it happen. Principal Mrs. Joyida Chatterjee, Coordinator Mrs. Diksha, congratulations to you all for making this wonderful day happen. Thank you, students, and thank you parents for putting one more feather in the cap of Chitrakuta. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all my children today. Yes, today is the D-Day. Extremely wonderful result. Congratulations once again to each 10th standard student. I can remember all of you this small, and I can remember your journey also. Today, I am very proud, but I know that this pride of mine really achieved by your achievements, your hard work, your follow-up, and the way each one of you has listened to your teacher or your parents. This day was expected, this day was awaited, but this day is very emotional also. Officially, we have to say bye to each one of you. But wherever you go, I know in you, Chitrakuta will always be alive. This is the day I want to thank all the parents who have supported us, who have believed in us in a very, very deep-rooted manner. The way parents have believed in us, I can tell you that that's the trust, that's the hope, and that's why Chitrakuta feels so much for the parents.
Hello, Namaste. Another great day, another great result. Chitrakutans have done it yet again. In the Class 10 CBSE Board Examination of 2019-20, Chitrakutans have proven that they are up to it by doing a fabulous job. Out of the 19 students who took up the Class 10 examination, 18 of them have scored distinction and one student has scored first class, with the highest percentage being 96.6%. It is indeed a fabulous achievement by the children. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the management of Chitrakuta School for providing a wonderful environment for children to excel. My appreciation and thanks to all the teachers of Chitrakuta for guiding the children to make this achievement. Ultimately, my gratitude to all the parents who have always been with us and for their children throughout. I am sure that there are many more successes to come in future for our children, and this will be a beautiful platform to build upon. My dear children, I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. Love you all. God bless you all.